Hello everyone, this is our session number 4 of lesson number 1. In this session we are going to learn what is software and its types. So before that, let's see what we learn in session number 3. In session number 3 we learn what is hardware and its examples. So let's see in short what is hardware. The visible components of a computer are called what a hardware. Okay, and what are the examples? Keyboard, monitor, mouse. These are some examples of what a computer hardware. Now let's see what is software. This is another important side of what a computer. If you have only hardware, then that's not enough to run or to activate system. Softwares required to activate or to work with computer. Actually, it will establish what a communication path. It will establish what a communication way between what a computers. It will allow you to interact with what other parts of computer. Okay, so this is about software. Like if you want to draw any picture, if you want to paint any picture, then paint program is required, and it will establish what a link between what a mouse, keyboard with the CPU, and then CPU will establish what a link with what a monitor. That means whatever you will draw, whatever you will type in paint program, maybe your name or any picture, you will see this on what a monitor. Those commands which are sent by the keyboard and mouse to CPU, and whatever picture is drawn by you will see that picture on what a screen. Okay, so for that paint program is required. So what is paint program? A paint program is a software. That means it is drawing application or drawing software. Okay, so like this you want to work with, or if you want to complete any particular work, any particular task, okay, then the softwares are required, and paint is one of them. Okay, now let's see what is the definition of software. Actually, a software is a collection of programs in which programs are what linked together to play what particular role. Like in paint program or in paint software, different programs are linked. Like pencil program, it will help you to draw what a picture outline. The next eraser program will help you to delete what or remove or erase unnecessary lines. Then color fill will allow you to drop a color. Okay, color palette will allow you to pick color. So what these are the different programs, and these different programs are linked together, and that is what a collection, and what we call that software. Means paint is a software in which different programs are linked together. Okay, now software is completely opposite of what a hardware. Here we cannot touch to software, we cannot feel it, but we can work or we can use it. Okay, so this is in short about what a software. Okay, now there are how many types of software? Two types of software. First one is a system software. Generally it is used to activate what a system. So this is called system software. System means what? Here different components are linked together, assembled together, and what we call that system. And to activate that system, system software is required. Like if you want to activate your personal computer, laptop, and a tab, then system software must be there. Then next one, that is application software. This software play what a particular or is used to finish what a particular task, like to draw a picture or to type what a paragraph or to calculate calculation by manipulating data in tabular form or to present what ideas. Okay, so generally these application softwares are run or installed on system software. Okay, that means separately or without system software you cannot install application software separately. Okay, so this is about what a system software and application software. So what these are the types of what a software. Now let's see in detail about what a system software and application software. Now system software, it will help you to establish what a communication or establish what a link between what a computer hardware and what a application software. That means it will help you to establish what the communication way between hardwares which you are using and the application softwares which you installed. Okay, and it is responsible to execute what all necessary operations of a computer or all operations of a computer. Then let's see first type of what software, that is system software. A system software generally it is used to activate what the system. A system can be biometric attendance, or it can be your personal computer, or it can be your tab. This is the main purpose, or this is the main role of what a system software is, to activate that system. Means make it ready to use what that system. Okay, and also it is responsible to establish what the communication path between hardware and application software which you are going to install after installing the system software. This is the main responsibility of what the system software. Again, it is responsible to execute all necessary uh, operations of a computer. So what necessary operations are executed by the computer? It is allowed to store and retrieve data, then calculate what the calculations, okay, and monitor the entire water system, okay, and alert to the user whenever system is in risk. That is the main responsibility of what the system software, or all these operations are performed by the system software. Okay, now here we have the most system software of the computer, and that is what operating system. Okay, generally we know that OS is the initial word for operating system, and we know what is OS is an system software, and this is important software to activate what system, or activate what any particular machine, maybe it computer or what your biometric attendance or mobile phone. Okay, nowadays in mobile phone also we have a operating system. Generally it is used to what activate that mobile. Okay, and we have some examples of what operating system. So what these are: first one, Windows operating system. It is today's popular operating system used worldwide. Then next one, Mac, it is of Apple. Okay, then next that is Linux, Unix. So what these are some examples. Also for mobile, Android operating system is used to activate that. Different versions are there of Android. Okay, so what these are some examples of what system software. Now this after, let's see what is next one. This after, or next type of software, that is application software. These application softwares are installed after completing the installation of what system software. Means after activation of what the system, application softwares are installed to use. Okay, and application software help to play or help to perform what a specific function, not all functions, to specific function only. Means to draw pictures, okay, or to type what paragraph, or to play games, or to listen music, or to watch movies. Okay, so what these are specific function, it will not allow you to do all these functions together. Okay, and for that when particular developer design any what application, that application is that application is called what application software. That means it will perform a specific function. Okay, maybe it will help you to draw, or maybe it will uh, allow you to draw any picture, okay, or to type any passage, or to listen any music, one of them, not all. Okay, so this is about what application software, and so many different application softwares are available today. Okay, for computer also, for mobile also. Some of these are used to play games, some of these are used to listen music, some of these are used to type what any passage. Okay, some of these are used to calculate what calculation. Okay, so these are the examples of what application software. Okay, you can see we have some exampls of what the application software. Microsoft Paint, we all know this application is used to draw picture, to fill color. MS Word, this application is used to type any passage, okay, or to format any document. That means it is used to generate or create documents. Then next, a VLC player, it is used to listen music. Not only listen music, also allow you to watch any movie. That means this is what a multimedia application software. This is multimedia application software. Now here over this lesson also what a this session. Okay, now you have to solve one activity So what is that? You have to solve this activity in your computer textbook, not need to solve it separately. Okay, so what is that? You have to identify what the softwares which are given, okay, on in this picture. These are application software or system software that you have to identify. Okay, if it is application software, you have to write application software. If it is a system software, then you have to write what a system software. Okay, you have to write it with a pencil. Okay, now this after, let's see what is the next this after on next point is that is exercise which you have to solve in your computer notebook. First one, it is state true or false. Okay, then next one, that is fill in the blanks with the help of hints are given here. This after the next one, answer in short. You have to write answer in short, maybe in one line. Okay, then this after the next one, take the correct one. You have to pick the correct one. Then next, write the full forms. You have to write the full forms. Those full forms are given in computer textbook. You can easily solve it. Then this after next one, that is jumbled words. Unscramble the jumbled words. You have to solve it. Okay, that means you have to write a meaningful word. Then answer the following questions. This after the next one is application based questions are there. Okay, that you have to solve. And lab activity, we'll see when school will reopen. Okay, I hope you all understand what is software and its types.